In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize and sub in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter an expense, assign it to the right category, and create new subcategories so your bookkeeping stays clean and easy to understand. Let's start from the main dashboard in Freshbooks. To record a new cost, you'll want to head over to the Expenses section. This is where all of your business spending is tracked. Once you're there, look for the button that says New Expense and click it. Think of this as opening a fresh form where you'll tell Freshbooks what you spent, when you spent it, and what it was for. On the new expense screen, begin by filling in the merchant, the date, and the grand total. The merchant is simply who you paid, like a software provider, a supplier, or a utility company. The date should match the receipt or transaction date on your bank or credit card statement, and the grand total is the full amount of the expense, including any taxes or fees. Being accurate here keeps your reports aligned with your bank records later on. Next, you'll see an option that says Choose a Category. Go ahead and click that. Categories tell Freshbooks what type of expense this is, which helps when you run profit and loss reports or prepare for tax time. When the list opens, you can scroll through and select an existing category that best matches your expense. For example, it might be advertising, office supplies, or travel. If something already fits well, just select it and you're good to go. But sometimes you may want a more specific breakdown than the default options. That's where subcategories come in. To create a new subcategory, start typing the name you want into the search bar at the top of the category list. If Freshbooks doesn't find a match, it will give you the option to create that new subcategory. Click that option to add it. After that, you'll be able to choose which parent account this new subcategory should live under. Common parent accounts include things like operating expense or cost of goods sold. Pick the one that best matches how you use this expense in your business. This structure keeps your chart of accounts organized while still giving you detailed tracking. Finally, fill in any remaining details you need, such as notes, taxes, or billable options if you rebill this cost to a client. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your expense is now recorded, categorized, and ready to show up in your reports.